And yeah, feel free to ask any questions if you have any technical issues or anything logistics. Let us know. And yeah, keep all the discussion about the class, please. Yeah.
Yeah, so that's good. So do you guys want to start now, or do you guys want to introduce yourself first, so I can get to know you? Just tell me if you can't hear me clearly.
I can hear you.
My name is Anak Setin. I
Okay.
live in Vermont.
Pardon, how should I call you? Maktizan? Right?
My name, you can call me Anak.
Anak. Okay. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Oh yeah. My name is Tenzin Chimi, and I live in Chicago.
Okay. Nice to meet you. How should I call
Thank
you?
you.
Tenzing or Chimi? I'm sorry.
Yeah, you can call me Tenzin. Yeah.
Okay.
My name's Ida.
Sorry, again? Ika? Right.
Yeah.
Ika. Nice to meet you. Hello. Okay. So do we still have more people who want to introduce themselves?
So, hi. Can you hear me?
Not very clearly, but
Okay.
yeah, a little bit.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay. So my name is Ugyen Chuduk, and I'm right now a history graduate student at Penn State University, Pennsylvania. So you can call me Ugyen.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
Anyone else? I'm not pretty sure.
Hi, my name is Tilechuki, and I'm currently studying. I'm at Cambridge, Boston.
Oh, in Cambridge, Boston. Okay. I also have friends studying there. Nice to meet you.
Sorry?
I also have friends studying there. Nice to meet you.
Okay, nice to meet you too.
Anyone else? Okay. If no one, I guess we can start.
Wait, I think we have Mikhail.
Yeah. Mikhail Ivanov, right?
Ivanov, do you want to introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Miguel. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Nice to meet you. So I think we can just go through the script first. Do you guys all see the script before this?
No.
No.
Okay. So I think they should have uploaded somewhere. Have you guys seen this script before? No? Okay.
Is it the one which is in the mail?
I think it's in the mail, yeah.
Yeah, let me mail it to you right now. We actually posted on the site.
Okay.
Yeah.
I can see it.
So no problem if you haven't seen that before. I'll just go through it. So before start, I think do you guys know how to greet each other in Chinese? It's called 你好. It's very common. I think you have heard it before.
你好.
Yeah, 你好.
你好, yes.
你好, yeah.
你好.
Yeah.
你好.
Yeah, that's very good. And before I start, I want to tell you how to do the 4 terms in Chinese. Let me see, how should I do this? Okay. Do you know that there are actually 4 terms in Chinese? So, yeah, like 4 accents, because we have different accents in Chinese. Have you'll notice that we have these symbols? Because in order to make you to know how to pronounce that, we use these Roman characters to indicate the pronunciation, and there are 4 accents. I mean, these little symbols above the characters. So there are 4 accents in Chinese. Sure. Okay, I'll just use a to show you how to pronounce that. The first one is very straightforward. It's just a. Yeah, yeah, that's good. And the second one is like you go uphill. It's like a, yeah, yeah. And third one is like you go down first and then you go up. Yeah. And the fourth one is a. It's like you do a free a. Yeah. So if you read these together, it will be a. Yeah, that's really good. Yeah. Yeah. Do you guys have any problem with this? The pronunciation?
I think I'm okay with this.
Okay, good. You get better after you just practice more. Yeah. So for the first word, 你好, you see that there's like 你 is the third tone, so you pronounce like 你, and 好 is also the third tone, so it's 好. Yeah. So if they're both the second tone, it would be like 你好, like that's not a word, but yeah. So it's 你好. Okay, that's good. And the second phrase is me as well. It's 我也是. You can try to pronounce it first because you already know the symbol. Just guess the pronunciation. 我. Yeah, so the first character is 我. If you guys want to say it, you can just say it with me. 我. Yeah, good. Like 我 means I. Like it's just me, I, myself. Yeah, that's 我. And 我, yeah. Can you guys follow me? Yeah.
I can't see anything except the 4 A's.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I guess that's a problem. Okay. Thank you for pointing out. Yeah, can you see it now?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the second is 我也是.
我也是.
Yeah. Yeah. So you see the first character is 我, and the second is 也, and third one is 是. So it's third tone, third tone, and fourth tone.
我也是.
Yeah, that's really good. So
我 means I, right?
Yeah, 我 is I, and 也 is also. 也 is also. And 是 is like is. But you don't have to know it now. You can just know that this is a phrase like me as well. 我也是. Good?
也是.
You guys sound really good. Okay. And and third one is, you probably have heard that before. Can you guys try to pronounce that first? Because you already have the P behind.
谢谢. 谢谢你.
Yeah, that's really good. Okay. Yeah, it's 谢谢你, which means thank you.
谢谢你.
谢谢你. Yeah.
谢你.
And that's the thing. And 谢谢 is like thanks or thank, because like 你 is you, 你 is you, and 谢谢 is like thanks or I don't know, thank. Yeah. You don't have to say 谢谢你 because usually we don't say the whole 3 characters. Usually we just say 谢谢 as thank you. So you can just say 谢谢.
谢谢.
Yeah, 谢谢. 谢谢 is enough. You don't have to say 谢谢你. You can say them both, but usually we just say 谢谢. 谢谢 is more oral.
谢谢.
谢谢. Yeah. It's like thanks. And 你 is you. 我 is I, and 你 is you.
Okay, ni is you.
Yeah. Yeah, just tell me if you have anything that you don't understand, and I'll just answer you. If you have any questions, just tell me and let me know. And next is this one. Okay, try to read it. Like
And the red.
yeah. Hun. That's
Han.
it. Hun. Yeah.
Han.
Yeah. And next do.
Do.
Yeah. Do. Yeah. And third 人.
Runs.
Nen.
Run.
Run.
Yeah. The second tone. Remember, you just go up. 人.
Han. Do. Ren.
No. You're like it's the 人. It's the second tone. So you go up. It's not like you go down. It's not a free fall. It's when you go up. 人. Yeah, that's good.
很多人.
很多人. Yeah. Just remember, there's a difference between the second tone and the first tone. The first is 人, and the second tone is 人. So you do 很多人, not 很多人. Okay?
很多人.
Yeah. And 很多 means many, and 人 means people. So we don't have the difference between the singular and the plural form. So we use 人 for both person and people. So, yeah. Yeah. So then it's like for both person and people. Because we don't have the singular word, the plural form. We don't have the difference.
Okay.
So then it's just person and people. Cool.
Run.
Yeah.
Ren means people.
People and person. Yeah.
Okay, so 很多 means many, right?
Yeah, 很多 is many. And this next one is 时间不够.
时间.
First, 时间. Just follow me. You don't have to be afraid that you say anything wrong. It's very common. 时间. Yeah, 时间. Yeah, and 时间 means time.
时间 is time.
Yeah, 时间 means time.
时间.
And 不够.
Go.
不够.
Not enough.
Go.
Yeah, 不够, which is not enough. 不够. 不够. Yeah.
不够.
Yeah.
Okay, 不够, right?
Yeah. This is, sorry, 不够 is not enough. And can you see what I'm writing?
Yes.
Yes.
So 不 means not.
Go means enough. Okay.
And go is enough. So 不够 is not enough. 不 is not, and go is enough. Good? Okay. And also what we said before, 我 is
I.
and me is you.
Me.
Yeah.
Okay.
So let's continue. And okay, this one is always the 问题.
真不够.
Go. Yeah. I know 很多人 want to learn Chinese, but 时间不够 is always the 问题. and 问题, which means problem. Problem. 问题. Can you script?
Oh, one T.
问题, yeah. 问题.
One T.
问题呀，
问题, yeah.
One T.
问
Yeah.
题，
问题 is
Just only
problem.
one T. One T, right?
Yeah, 问题. Yeah, I think you have a problem. You have a little bit problem because you can't distinguish the difference between the second tone and the first tone. So you always like 问题, like T is something that you go a bit up and you say 问题. Yeah, 问题.
One T.
Yeah, that's really good. Perfect.
One T.
Okay. Okay, let's just go down. I'm happy we could have this Chinese class for the next 2 months. We should probably start with greetings. Yeah, so we are going to talk about greetings. Most people have heard of 你好. Yeah, that's what we have said before. 你好.
你
你
好。
好，
你好，
Yeah, so yeah, good.
你好，
Yeah, 你好. So let me introduce the other greetings. So good morning is this one.
早上好。
Very good. Yeah. 早上
好。Wow.
上
早上
Yeah.
好，
早上好。
早上好，
早
早
上
上
早上好。
好
好。
早上好。
早上好。
上好，
好 that's the third one. 好
好。
好，
Yeah, good. 早上好。
早上好，
Yeah. So that's good morning.
早上好。
Good morning. And good afternoon is this one.
中午好。
早中
中
中好，中午好，
中午 the
午
third 午
午
Yeah. 好
好，
好，
You just go up a little bit after you go down.
好。
There's a turn like 好
好。
好，
Yeah, good.
中午好。
中午 is also the third tone. 午 There's a turn. 午 Yeah. 中午好 Good.
中
中午好，
Yeah, very good. And good evening is 晚上好。
晚上好。
好，
Yeah, very good. Good.
晚上好 right?
Yeah, 晚上好 Yeah, good.
晚上好，中晚
So I'll just try to. So I'll see the board. Okay. Good morning. Because it's 早上好。
早上好。
Because 早上 is morning. 早上 is morning.
早上
Okay, 早上 is morning.
And 晚上 is evening. Sorry. 晚上 is evening.
晚上，
It's evening.
中午 is afternoon, right?
It's actually not afternoon because I will say that 中午, like 中午
中午
is noon. It's like 12 o'clock.
Oh, okay.
It's like 12 o'clock.
Okay.
And I think what is afternoon is like 下午 is afternoon. If you want, okay. How should I? Yeah, 下午 is afternoon. Like 中午 is noon, but you just say afternoon for 中午好. Because that's just some difference between the language. But yeah, So 早上 is morning, 晚上 is evening, and 中午 is like 12 o'clock.
Jungwoo is noon. Yeah.
Yeah, good. And also, how is good. So we have, okay, how should I do this? So, how is good, which is really useful.
How?
Yeah. So 你好 is actually like you good.
Oh, okay. 你好.
Yeah. So it's how is good. It's really useful. Okay.
Hi.
Hello.
Could you please write the, like, I cannot recognize the Chinese term, the alphabets that you're writing. So if you could write it in English.
Oh yeah, I'm so sorry.
Because it's just converting itself into Chinese.
I will do that. Yeah, sorry. Sorry, I didn't notice that. Okay. So do you want me to all write all these in Chinese in terms? Okay. So how is good. Okay.
Okay.
Do you feel that this is better? Is it good? Good. So
How is good.
and this one is 你好. 你好 is you. 你好. Sorry, it's a little bit difficult for me to type the tones, so I'll just type the characters. Is it okay for you? Hello?
Right. Yes.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. And I'll just continue, but if you have any problem, you can just ask me after this
Sure.
class. Yeah. Good. And yeah, so I'm happy you can have this. Yes, I remember studying all of these. My favorite was using the short ends, like saying just 早 for morning or 早安. 早安.
早安.
早安.
早安.
Yeah. 午安. Sorry, I don't know why. Okay. Like 午安 and 晚安. Like 午 is for
Oh,
it's like 中午好. It's the same 午.
午
Yeah.
早
安.
早安.
早安，
午安.
午安，
午安.
Nice. 晚安.
晚安，
Yeah. Good. So, what's the difference between 早上好 and 早安? I will explain below. So, 早上好 is actually more oral. Like you use it when you're greeting a friend or peers. But when you're greeting the elders, it's more appropriate to use 早安 to show your respect. Did I make this clear? Yeah. So 早安 is more like a written language. But if you're just greeting your friends, you use 早上好.
早上好.
Yeah. Or you don't really have to say 早上好. Like you can just say 早.
早安.
You 早安 is like it's very formal. It's like a written language. Like
So we can say just 早.
yeah, you can say 早. You just say 早 to your
早.
friend, and they'll understand what you mean. 早.
Oh, okay. 早.
Yeah.
早.
Yeah. But you can't say 我晚. That's not how we do that. We only use 早 for 早安, but we don't use 午 for 中午好 or for good afternoon or 晚 for good evening. We only use 早 for good morning.
早
Yeah.
早. Okay.
So for 中午好 晚上好, you still use for good afternoon and good evening. You still use 中午好 and 晚上好.
我
Yeah.
好.
Okay, let's continue. What are some other formal greetings? How do we address a teacher or a big boss, and less formal greetings among friends? What is typically used between friends? And okay, I'll say I'll add something because so in case how do you stress something to show your we have a polite way to say you in Chinese because so me is
You.
you, right?
Yeah.
So if you want to say it politely, it's like a polite form to say me. To say you, it's actually 您. 您.
您
Yin.
Yeah.
Yin.
Yeah, that's how you talk to elders or you're a big boss or a teacher. That's a polite form of saying you.
Yin hao.
Yeah, 您好.
Yin hao.
您好. And this is the second tone. So 您好.
Yin.
I'll just use two for the second tone. 您好.
Yin hao.
Yeah, that's a polite way
Yeah.
to talk to your teacher or your boss or when they
Okay.
respect to the elders.
您好
Yeah,
Yin hao.
您好. Yeah. Good.
您好
And okay. With my friends, I just say hi, but with the Chinese sound hi, I'll ask them. Yeah, with my friend, I only say hi. I don't really say 你好 because I'm very familiar with my friends. I only say hi. That's very popular among young people. And I'll ask them how is everything going recently? 最近过得怎么样? And 最近过得怎么样?最近
最近。
最近
最近
最近。
最近
最近近
最近。最近。
近
Yeah.
过。最近。
过
过。最近过。
的怎么 Okay, when you see that there's no tone on the character, and that's a very light sound. So you don't address the sound. That's a very light sound. Yeah. Yang. Good. Yeah.
最近过得
最近
过得
最近
怎么样？
最近怎么样？
怎么样
怎么样？
Yeah, I'll say that for another time. 最近过得怎么样？
么样 ？OK。
Yeah.
最近
过得
最近
么样？
怎么样？
怎
样
么样？
Good. And
最近
过得
怎么样？
怎么样？
good. We can continue. So 最近
最近
means recently.
最近
最近 means recently.
最近
And 怎么样 is how.
怎么样
is how.
好怎么样好
Yeah, so that's 最近过得怎么样？
怎么样？
How.
好
Yeah.
怎么好怎么样
Let's continue. I also picked up this new habit in China where you always repeat. For example, 你好你好. Yeah, we always repeat. I don't know why, but we
你好
just
你好
do that. Yeah, we just say 你好你好，你好你好，
，Hello Hello，
你好, 你好. Yeah, we say that very quickly. 你好, 你好. When you first meet someone, you say 你好, 你好.
你好, 你好.
Yeah.
Okay.
And also this phonic ah sound at the end of a sentence, like 再见了,再见了.
再见了.
再见.
Yeah.
再见.
Yeah, so 再见 is goodbye. Let me see how to do that.
再见.
再见. Okay. So that's the first tone, and Jen is also the first tone. Is goodbye. 再见.
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 Yeah.
再见.
再见.
Yeah, and 再见 is goodbye.
And you add the phonetic, is it, after that?
Sometimes it's like, yeah, if you, it's very usual if you just talk to someone, you say 再见. Yeah, 再见. Like a very light sound, because, yeah. Yes, that's true. We have a lot of these different sounds at the end of a sentence to express certain emotions, but even if we do put an at the end, we don't stress the sound. It's just a very light like 再见, and sometimes very quick and not noticeable. Do you get me?
Yep.
Yeah, so we don't stress the sound. You don't say 再见, you say 再见, a very light sound.
再见. 再见.
再见.
Yeah, a very light sound. Just very oral. Okay. Oh, another thing. Oh, because you don't write 再见 when you're writing an article. It's just when you're speaking, you say 再见. But you don't write this in an article or something. Okay. Okay. Oh, another thing I pick up is sharing food, offering food, and every conversation centering around food. For example, Chinese people often greet each other as 你吃了吗?你吃了吗? Hey, can you guys see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah.
Chinese.
你吃了吗? I don't know why it doesn't have ping, but yeah, I'll write this. Okay. So, you guys all know the first character, right?
Mm-hmm.
你 吃 吃
吃
吃
你吃
你吃 吃
了
了
你吃了
你吃了吗
Yeah, 你吃了吗?
你吃了
Yeah,
你吃了吗? 你吃了吗? 你吃了吗?
So 你吃了吗 actually means have you eaten?
Have you eaten?
Yeah, have you eaten? Because 吃 means
吃了吗
eat.
I've heard a lot. Yeah.
吃 means eat.
Yeah,
你吃了吗?
yeah. 你吃了吗?
No.
No. Okay.
你吃了吗
你吃了吗? Yeah. So, yeah, we often greet each other as 你吃了吗?
Okay, 你吃了吗?
Yeah.
你吃了吗?
Okay.
There are actually less people do this now, but if you're going to Beijing and when you meet some locals there and people will, or some old people there, they'll ask you 你吃了吗 as a kind of greeting.
Okay, 你
Yeah.
吃了吗?
But that means have you eaten?
Yeah, that means have you eaten. That's a little bit weird, so we just do this.
Okay.
Yeah, like British people often just greet each other like with the weather, like how's the weather today, and we just ask have you eaten. I think it's a cultural thing.
Yes.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Thank you.
Yeah, 中国人特别喜欢吃. Chinese people love food. That's true. Yeah. 这中国人特别喜欢吃的。Okay, I don't know what's wrong with the script, but 中国人特别喜欢吃的。好了，吃的。This is really.
你去了吗？
Sorry. 中国人。
中国人。
You guys know what this mean, right?
Mm-hmm.
中国人 is Chinese people.
Oh, Ren is people.
Yeah, it is people, right? Good. Yeah,
Congo,
yeah.
Chinese.
中国人 Chinese people. Yeah, Chinese people.
Ren.
中国人.
Okay. So this is my first time using this. I don't know how can I scroll down to have more space, but yeah. 中国人特别喜欢. Okay, let's get this word. 喜欢. 喜欢 which means like. 喜欢. 喜欢.
喜欢.
Yeah, good. 喜欢. Yeah. Actually related. So this one. So you can say 我喜欢你. What does this mean?
Do you like me?
No, it's like
I like you.
Yeah, I like you. That's 我喜欢你. 我喜欢你. Yeah. So 喜欢 is like. Yeah. Yeah, 喜欢 is like. Yeah, so that's 我喜欢你. Good. Yeah, and also you have this. Sorry. Yeah. 中国人特别喜欢吃的 So 吃 is eat. 吃 is eat. But
eat. Yes,
and
true is
吃的 is like food. 吃的. 吃的.
吃了吗? Okay.
Yeah, 吃的 is food. So, okay. 吃
档.
吃的. That's also a very oral expression. This is also very oral.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, 吃的 is food. 吃的. Yeah, it's food.
吃档 means
food.
Eat. Oh, food. Okay.
吃 is eat.
Eat food, right?
Yeah, and 吃的 is food.
吃的. Okay, 吃档 is food.
So 中国人特别喜欢吃. This is like Chinese people like food, where Chinese people love food. You can ignore the 特别. You can ignore these two characters. It's actually very, very. But you don't have to know it now. It's very 特别. 特别 is very.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So this sentence is just Chinese people love food. We have this common saying in Chinese that is 民以食为天. We have pinyin now. Which means food is the most important thing. But if you translate word by word, it means people view food as their god. Yeah. So 民以食 为
喂，
喂，
天
天，
This is a common saying, but it's actually a little bit difficult because the way that the sentence is structured is a little bit like Asian Chinese. Yeah, so it could be a little bit difficult for me to explain now because it's kind of like Asian Chinese expression. Like you'll find it in a very, very old book, the way that how it's structured the sentence. But yeah, it's a common saying. You can just remember it. It's 民以食为天, which means food is the most important thing. 民以食为天.
明
明熙，
民
明熙，
民以
明熙，以
食
以
为
食为
天.
天。
Yeah. Yeah. You can just remember it. You don't have to really translate word by word because it's just something that from very, very long time ago. Yeah. But that, okay. Oh, that makes sense. That's why when you see someone, the first thing you say is 你吃了没有? 你吃了没有 is actually like 你吃了吗? They're the same thing. 你吃了没有？没有。
你吃了没有？
Yeah, that's actually 你吃了吗? They're the same thing. Because 没有 is
你吃了没有？
Yeah. So oh my god, I don't have enough space. 你吃了没有？等于is 你吃了吗？你吃了吗？ They're the same. 你吃了没有 is actually 你吃了吗？ They're the same, just different form of expression. 你吃了没有？你吃了吗？
你吃了没有？
Yeah. And if you ask 没有
OK， 没有。
没有
没有。OK， 你吃了没有？
有没有 Oh, sorry. 有你吃了没有 Yeah. Okay. And 你吃了吗 is literally asking whether you have eaten or not, like what I said. So if you had your meal, then you answer 吃了. If you've had your meal, you answer 吃了. 吃了.
吃了。
Like 吃 is eat. And yeah. 吃, let me extend this. So you see, 吃 is eat. And if you say 吃了, 吃 了, yeah, 了, that's like have eaten. It's the past tense of 吃. 吃了 is like the past tense.
OK，
So this thing is the past tense of 吃. 吃 is eat and 吃 is have eaten. Or yeah, 吃了.
吃了。
吃. Yeah, so if you've already eaten, you answer 吃了吗?
吃了。OK。
吃了. Yeah, and if you haven't, you answer 没有. So 没有 is like you don't have, you didn't, you
OK， so
haven't eaten.
没有 means you haven't eaten the food, right?
Yeah. 没有 actually means like, let me say. 没有 is actually didn't, like were, you don't have something. 没有 is didn't, where you don't have something.
OK。
没有. 没有 is like I don't have something or I didn't do that.
没有。
没有。Yeah, but to be honest, it's all up to your creativity of how to answer the question. You can also say, no, but are you going to treat me? Which is 没有. It's no, I didn't. But are you going to treat me? Like 你请客吗? Okay. 你请客吗? Is there something like that? Okay. 请客请客请客请客
请客
It's like I'll buy your food or I'll offering food. Like I'll pay for your meal. That's 请客.
请客
Like you're going to treat someone with food. Like you're going to treat someone. You're going to buy someone food. But that's 请客.
请客
Yeah.
请客 means you will treat.
Yeah, you're going to treat somebody. Yeah.
Okay.
刚才 say 没有请客, which means no, but you're going to treat me. Okay. All right. Today's time is up, but I can't leave without asking for your 微信. Oh, do you guys know what is 微信?
微信
微信, WeChat.
Oh yeah.
WeChat, yeah.
Yeah. So 微信is the Chinese name of WeChat.
Okay.
Does anyone not know what is 微信? What is WeChat? Is there anyone who don't know what is WeChat? Okay. WeChat. Okay. It's just a very, very common app that we use in China, which is like the Chinese version of WhatsApp. So, 微信, yeah, 微信. It's just a It's just how do I say? Okay, just Chinese. Okay, this. Just which is Chinese version of WhatsApp. WhatsApp. Yeah, WhatsApp. The Chinese version of WhatsApp. It's actually the Chinese version of WhatsApp, and I'll say and Apple Pay, because you can also pay for everything with your 微信. It's like your wallet. It's like your e-bank or something. Just WhatsApp and Apple Pay. I'll say that. Yeah, but mainly it's just for chatting with your friends online.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so that's what I think, like all Chinese people use 微信. It's really, really common. So it's a very common form of contact. So if you meet someone, you just ask them for their 微信 instead of their telephone number. So yeah, 对啊, yeah, 对啊 is like that's right. 对啊 is that's right. Oh, we don't have enough space. 对啊, 对啊, 对, which is right. And this is just a phonic a. 对啊.
对 means right. Okay.
对 means right, and that is a phonic a. 对.
对. Okay.
And a phonic a. Cool. Yeah. 对啊, that's right. The very first Chinese word I learned, my first Chinese sentence was 你有微信吗? That's how you ask if someone have Weixin or not. So
Oh, do you have a WeChat or not, right?
yeah. 你有微信吗？有。So let's see. So 没有 is don't have, right?
Yes.
So 有 is actually have. So 有 is have. 有 is have.
Okay, 有 is have.
有 is have. So 你有微信吗 means do you have WeChat? 你有微信吗？有 is have.
你有
Yeah. 你有微信吗 Do you have WeChat?
你有微信吗
Yeah. So I realized it's impossible to live in China without this app.
Okay.
Without this app. Chinese people don't say app, they often say app. Yes. It's a bit weird because we don't say app. We say app. Yeah. And 软件, it's application. 软件
软件
it's application. App. Yeah. 软件 Okay. 那我可以加你微信吗 Oh, this is great. Okay. I really don't have enough space here. What should I do? Sorry, can I erase some of these? Because I don't have space now. Is it okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, that's fine.
For me.
Okay. So, 那我可以加你微信吗？那我可以
让我
可以加你微信吗？那我可以加你微信吗？Then can I add your WeChat? Then can I add your WeChat? 那我可以加你微信吗？那我可以加你微信吗？加你微信 Yeah. Then can I add your WeChat? Yeah. That's then can I add your WeChat? 可以 Here. So I'll just erase more. 可以 means
让我可以将
Yeah, 可以 is can and 加 is add. 那我可以加你微信吗 Then can I add your WeChat? 可以 is can and 加 is add. 加 and 可以 Then can I add your WeChat? If you want someone's WeChat, you can just say that. Yeah. 那我可以加你微信吗？那我可以加你微信吗？
让我可以将
你微信吗？可以。那我可以加你微信吗？
那我可以
那我可以加你微信吗？Okay, do you need this? Yeah, 那我可以加你微信吗？
哦，OK，
我可以加你微信吗
？Yeah, 那我可以加你微信吗？Good. Okay. Still have the last part. We're almost done. Okay. Okay. 当然了。当然了。
当然了。
Okay, we still. Can you guess what is 当然了？当然了 is of course. 当然了。了 is of course. 当然 Oh, sorry, I don't have 然 here. Okay. I'll just yeah. 当然了。
当然了。
Yeah, it's of course. 当然了 of course.
当然了。
Of course. 当然了。当然了。当然了。Good. 当然了。
当然了 ，right?
Yeah, of course.
Of course, okay.
那我先走。
How are we doing on time?
Okay, I think we don't have enough time.
Okay, almost there.
Yeah, almost there. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
See you next time. 谢谢. You've seen it before. Do you guys remember this? 谢谢. Do you remember what does this word mean?
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. 谢谢. Thank you. Okay. And 再见.
再见。
What does this word mean? 再见.
You're welcome.
No. 再见. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
We have that here. This is cities. 再见.
Oh, 再见.
Yeah, 再见, which is goodbye. Goodbye. Here. Yeah. 再见, goodbye.
Oh, 再见.
Goodbye. Okay.
再见.
And last, 不用客气. Okay, this is the last phrase, and we'll finish after this. Sorry, I'm doing this a little bit slow. 不用客气。不用客气 which is you are welcome. 不用客气 which is you're welcome.
不用客气.
Yeah, 不用客气 you're welcome. 不用客气.
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 Yeah.
Okay. 不用客气.
Good. Very good. Yeah, so I think we're done now. So yeah, we don't have enough time. Sorry, I'm doing this a little bit slow, but if you have any problem, you can just ask me after this. Just, yeah. I think there's like a WeChat group or something, and you can just ask me questions there. Is it good?
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So I think
No. Also, we have the WeChat group. So if you guys have any questions throughout the week, you can, ask on the WeChat and we can get one of the TAs or you to answer.
Yeah. So I think we are finished today. Good.
Okay.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
And what about the homework that's due tomorrow?
Oh, actually, we have a little homework. Don't worry, it won't take you a lot of time. So we have a vocabulary list. I think someone will send you later. And I want you guys to just read the vocabulary and make a recording and send it back to me so that I can tell you which word that you pronounce wrongly. Okay?
Sure.
Yeah, and you can do that on the WeChat group.
Yeah. I'll just tell you guys about the homework, the details in the WeChat group. Yeah, so thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. And one last thing is that our site is having some issues. So if the notes, everything, we're going to just post it on the WeChat group.
Thank you.
Okay. All right. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good night. Bye-bye.